Ayan o, yung Harity. Siya yata yan. So ano to, bablock ko na naman. Anong he did won't help? Hello, AGT? Ha? What? Di ko na alam nangyayari sa meeting. Na-brown outan sila. I mean, yeah. Paano ko di mapansinin? Paano pag nire-report?
Sige po, sir. Wait lang po.
Anyway. Okay na, Cosmic.
Sir, nakikita po ba yung slides?
Nagka-follow back naman ako, guys. Mga babait, okay. Yung mga, alam mong, ano yung ugali.
Kita na naman.
Deadma.
Start na po.
That nga, bawal gumawa ng ng new account.
You're now report.
I know, I will be back. Okay, I will block you
As
again.
mentioned by the other groups, these groups from groups 1 to 4, state practice or pagmanalipan. Let's I will present muna yung mga presenters. Si Mr. Alcantara, si Balanza, Sir Llorones.
Anong bunny?
Mr. Primavera. So ito yung level contents for you.
Hello, Rika.
So, as mentioned by the other groups, customary international law is yung parang unwritten rule.
Ha?
Unwritten rule na
Anong gift?
sinusunod ng mga states dahil ito ay
Is it true?
Na
What's true?
International matters or international law. So, it is built up by two elements, which is the two-element theory, a state practice, and continued juris. Ngarag na yung ano na to, yung part na to, since
Bunny ear?
na siya ng
Anong bunny ear?
groups, pero we would,
Ano daw? Hala, nag-send ulit si Big Boss. Hindi ko nakita.
And other notable examples. So, I want to point out lang na ang CIL is hindi yung both state practice and activity juris para mag-work. So, hindi lang dapat na state practice and or activity juris lang. Kasi, dapat nag-co-insist sila para. So, as you can see here, meron nakalagay yung instant custom. Ito
Hindi ko nakita. Yun pala yung bunny. Hindi ko nakita, te. Pwedeng ulitin. Charot.
Explain naman yung
Ayun pala yung sinasabing bunny. Sabi ko, anong bunny? Hello, Empoy. Sabi ko, anong bunny? Wala akong bunny dito.
So,
Ba't naglalag lahat? Oh my gosh.
practice ng stage. Ito yung mga ginagawa mo na stage.
Hindi ko nakita.
So, ang opinion dyan is ang psychological factor. Ang stage practice naman is yung physical factor na
Hindi ko nakita. Nakakainis.
para mag-contribute
Bunny
sa
ears.
expression ng osmotic combination. So, ano nga ba yung examples?
Hindi ko tuloy na screenshot. Oh.
Let's go to step number 4. Forms of stage practice include, but are not limited to, so verbal and physical practice. Let's take a look at Trump. So, as we can see, or as we can follow this foreign policy, it has been
Hello, Prime Dream.
state practice, but it cannot
Ang dami niyang account, guys. Paano yun?
of CIL. What do I mean by that? So, kung babalikan natin
Wag na pansinin. You will get tired, so
So,
I don't care. Guys, paano yun?
of CIL. What do I of Israel.
Ang effort mo naman, you're so effort just to report me. So,
However,
I'm flattered.
cannot
Ta-na-na-na-na.
CIL because it contradicts existing state practice that is practiced by other states. So, bukod doon, merong internal governance as internal practice. So,
Ikikik ko lang siya na ikikik. So,
actions in the government.
Yeah. Hello, Kazaki.
The formation of state practice, which can be done
Maybe.
by the national system.
Hello.
Para kumari.
Binablock ko siya. Kanina ko pa siya binablock. Kaso, alam niya account sis. Pangatlong block ko na yata.
Maritime features or
Ako na, te. Thank you, Big Boss, for the rose, for the flower. Wow! Thank you! Oh my gosh. Nakita ko na. That's the bunny ears. My gosh. Thank you. Hindi ko nakita kanina. Thank you, Big Boss, for sending again. I missed it earlier. Hello, Friendster. Hello, Bite. Hello, friends.
For example, the Philippines said yes to the resolution made by the General Assembly. And it also translates to state practice kasi it
Hello, Jake.
state actor.
Wait.
So, another example that I would like you to know is inaction. Merong legal principles sa inaction kasi too much inaction can become consent. Merong case nito sa Dalotes case.
Abo, ayan na naman siya, oh.